In this video, we will solve bearing problems using the law of sines. Let's begin. Problem 1. Two cell towers are 15 kilometers apart, with Tower B directly east of Tower A. A lost hiker sends an emergency signal from somewhere north of the towers. The bearing from Tower A to the hiker is north 62 degrees east. The bearing from Tower B to the hiker is north 41 degrees west. How far, to the nearest tenth of a kilometer, is the hiker from Tower A? Important reminder before solving. In quadrant bearings, we measure angles starting from either north or south, then rotate toward east or west. Step 1. Draw and interpret the bearings. Place Tower A at a starting point, represented by point A. Place Tower B 15 kilometers directly east of Tower A, represented by point B. From Tower A, draw a ray at north 62 degrees east, or 62 degrees east of north. Start facing north, then turn 62 degrees toward the east. From Tower B, draw a ray at north 41 degrees west, or 41 degrees west of north. Start facing north, then turn 41 degrees toward the west. These two rays intersect at the location of the hiker. Represent the hiker by point C. The points A, B, and C form triangle ABC. Step 2. Find the interior angles, or the angles inside the triangle. Let's find angle A. Since north and east are perpendicular, they form a 90-degree angle. Angle A equals 90 degrees minus 62 degrees. So, angle A is 28 degrees. Next is angle B. 90 degrees minus 41 degrees. Angle B equals 49 degrees. The angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So, the angle at the hiker, or angle C, is 180 degrees, minus 28 degrees, minus 49 degrees. This is equal to 103 degrees. Step 3. Apply the law of sines. We use the law of sines because we now know one side and its opposite angle, which allows us to solve the oblique triangle. The side we want is the distance from Tower A to the hiker. Let's call that side B. Notice that side B is opposite angle B. Side C, which is 15 kilometers, is opposite the 103-degree angle. So side B over sine 49 degrees equals 15 over sine 103 degrees. Step 4. Solve for side B. To isolate B, multiply both sides by sine 49 degrees. On the left side of the equation, we are left with B, because sine 49 degrees cancels out. On the right side, we have 15 times sine 49 degrees over sine 103 degrees. Using a calculator, sine 49 degrees is approximately equal to 0.7547, and sine 103 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9744. Let's substitute the sine values. B is approximately equal to 15 times 0.7547, divided by 0.9744. So B is approximately 11.6. The hiker is approximately 11.6 kilometers from Tower A. Problem 2. Two ranger stations, Station A and Station B, are 18 kilometers apart. From Station A, the bearing of Station B is 35 degrees east of north. A lost hiker activates an emergency beacon. From Station A, the bearing of the hiker is 75 degrees east of north. From Station B, the bearing of the hiker is 65 degrees east of south. How far, to the nearest tenth of a kilometer, is the hiker from Station A? Step 1. Draw and interpret the bearings. Place Station A as starting point, represented by point A. Draw a ray at 35 degrees east of north. Start facing north, then turn 35 degrees toward east. Place Station B 18 kilometers away, represented by point B. From Station A, draw another ray at 75 degrees east of north toward the hiker. Again, start facing north, then turn 75 degrees east. From Station B, draw a ray at 65 degrees east of south toward the hiker. This time, start facing south, then turn 65 degrees east. These two rays meet at the location of the hiker. Represent the hiker by point C. The points A, B, and C form triangle ABC. Step 2. Find the interior angles. Let's find angle A. At station A, bearing of B from A is 35 degrees east of north, and bearing of hiker from A is 75 degrees east of north. Angle A is 75 degrees minus 35 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. Next is angle B. First, we find the bearing of A from B. Since the bearing of B from A is 35 degrees east of north, the reverse direction, A from B, is the back bearing. To get it, we reverse both compass directions. North becomes south. East becomes west. So, the bearing of A from B is 35 degrees west of south. At station B, bearing of hiker from B is 65 degrees east of south. So, angle B is 35 degrees plus 65 degrees, which is equal to 100 degrees. Next is angle C. Angle C equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 100 degrees. So, angle C is equal to 40 degrees. Step 3. Apply the law of sines. We are solving the distance from station A to the lost hiker. Let's call it side B. From the triangle, side B is opposite angle B, or 100 degrees. 18 kilometers is opposite angle C, or 40 degrees. Now apply the law of sines. B over sine 100 degrees equals 18 over sine 40 degrees. Step 4. Solve for B. Multiply both sides of the equation by sine 100 degrees. On the left side of the equation, we are left with B. On the right side, we have 18 times sine 100 degrees over sine 40 degrees. Using a calculator, sine 100 degrees is approximately 0.9848, and sine 40 degrees is approximately 0.6428. Let's substitute the sine values. B is approximately equal to 18 times 0.9848 over 0.6428. So B is approximately equal to 27.6. The hiker is approximately 27.6 kilometers from station A. And that's it. That's how to solve bearing problems using the law of sines. Let's recap. Whenever a bearing problem forms an oblique triangle, follow these steps. Draw the diagram. Interpret the bearings. Find the interior angles. Apply the law of sines. And solve for the unknown side. Remember, bearings help us determine angles, and the law of sines helps us find unknown distances. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.